Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm in fun mode. By the way, I always be in the fun mode, but just now I had a biryani. Let's speak in a different tone, and you can see that I'm very happy because in the last video you guys have given me amazing response. A lot of you guys have asked me that what are the contracts we have, how we can utilize that. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this videos. After this, I believe that you guys will understand that how to utilize this contract and how you can get the project ready. So if a clients come up to you and even you don't know much about the smart contract development auditing, you can use this pre-existing contract which is already there. All you have to do is to deploy, plug into the template and deliver to your client. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Hope this video will help you to foster your development and deliver your project to the client and get a job, get an internship. Okay, sorry for that. Trust me, Thirdweb is so powerful. If you truly understand the Thirdweb and their functionality and the framework, it will save a lot of your time. It will make your entire development so fast that you can't imagine. So that's what we're going to explore in this video. I'm going to show you the all contracts which Thirdwebs provide you, which you can include. And by the way, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you that why I'm talking like this, because many of you have told me that, so Daulat, your sound is a little dull, you should speak a little faster, a little louder. So I thought let's try something new. Do let me know in the comment section that do you guys like this tone. I'll try to continue, otherwise I'll go back to the normal one. Okay, so Thirdweb. So come back here, you can see the fastest way to build Web3 app. You can simply click on this and you can get started. So they have explained beautifully every single thing about the Thirdweb. All you have to do is to call their hooks. So let's come back to the product section, and here you will find all of the things: SDK, Explore, Solidity SDK, Dashboard, UI kits, auth, publish, deploy, storage, wallet SDK. So if you want to create your wallet, you can simply use their SDK and you can build in just a matter of a second. So what I will do, I'll come back to the Explore section because all the goals we will find right up here. So here it says that discover and deploy contract in one click. Yes, it is. You can literally deploy any type of contract, any type of marketplace to the network. It says the best place for Web3 developer to explore smart contract for world-class Web3 protocol engineer, all developable in one click. You can click on this get started, but before we do that, you can simply scroll and you can have a look from your end that what you will get. So here you can come, you can see contract for every use case. So if you want to build a gaming platform where you want to monetize the token system, so there is a two player and they're playing game. If one player wins, you want to monetize certain token, or you want to monetize the NFT, you want to reward that, you can add that functionality very easily. They have the commerce, so you can easily able to include in the commerce field where you can allow them to buy any particular product, any physical product with the help of NFT, and they can make the transaction. You can keep that information as well. The NFT, which is really popular and all of you guys already know. And by the way, if you haven't followed the NFT marketplace project, Unisub or the real estate DApp project, make sure to follow that. That will give you amazing learning, which I will link in the I button description, so you can go watch it. Here you can come, here you can see they have tons of information. So a lot of information you will have. So let's come up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this get started, and here you will find the explore section. So these are the contract which is really popular. So in the popular drop, we have the NFT drop. So if you want to create a platform where you want to allow user to drop the NFT, and on the base of the NFT drop, you want to reward them token. Or if you have your own token, and if they deploy the NFT in your platform, you can reward your own token. You got a custom token. They have the marketplace, so you can create your own marketplace. And the best part of this particular marketplace is that they have bunch of features. Like they have the auctions, bidding, all of the things they have in this particular smart contract. They have the membership. So if you want to create a membership site, you can create that, which will be controlled by the smart contract. So it will automatically, you can easily able to fix that how long the particular subscription will last. 1 month, or maybe 1 day, or maybe 1 minute, or 1 year. You can literally decide that one. Here we have the edition drop. We have the token, which is very common. You already know that. We have the stake ERC721, which is already, here we have the NFTs contract. So we have a multiple variation of NFT contracts, so you can pick anyone you want as per your project. So we have I haven't explored this one, I haven't explored this one. This one is already, I have checked that. And here we have the ERC721 community stream. So this one is a really amazing one. I want you to come and explore this one. We have the edition, then we have the marketplace. So if you want to build a marketplace, these are the contracts are available: marketplace, NFT marketplace, token, split. And here we have the drops. So if you want to add a drop functionality into your DApp, these are the contract is there. You can create an NFT drop, edition drop, signature drop, token drop. If you scroll down right up here you will find the smart contract wallet. So these are the predefined code which you can use, and they have multiple versions. So right now the beta one is latest one, because this is the one which I used recently in one of the project which I was delivering to the client. So I use this particular contract. What I did, I simply copy the contract and I utilize in the project, because that client was not paying that much money. So I thought that let's make it work. I don't need to write the entire contract from the scratch because I have to save time. And as per your client, so I hope you guys have watched the last video. In that I have explained that when a client pays, on the basis of that you have to decide that what amount of efforts you have to provide in the project. Obviously you have to provide better quality project, but you have to know that how you can save time, which I have explained in the last video. So make sure to watch that as well. Here we have the different wallet. Here we have the airdrops, so you can drop all of these contracts are there. And here we have the staking. So currently I'm working on this particular project where we allow the user to stake their token, or stake a particular token. Once they stake a token, we want to reward them in our own token. So that's the project which I'm working on. Very soon that project will come on the platform, so you guys can watch it. Because many of you said that Daulat, please bring a project where we can utilize this existing contract and we can make it real world project. So that's why I'm working on the project. Very soon, within a 2 week, the project would be live, so you guys can follow that one. Here we have the different DAO. So if you want to start your own DAO, you can pick any one of these contracts. You can see they have tons of contract. So again, if you haven't followed the real estate DApp project, in that I have used this particular one for deployment and for building the entire functionality in our DApp. So make sure to watch it. So now what I will do is, if you really want to deploy the contract, that's a fairly easy process. You can pick whatever contract you want. So for example, if you want to use this NFT marketplace, click on this. And here you can able to read everything about this contract, that what function it contains. So you can come and read. They have a huge documentation which you can follow. They have the APIs, absolutely amazing. So if you talk about the functions, so we have two types of function. One is for read, the other one is for write. I hope you guys haven't forgot it, because we have followed this a lot of time in our NFT market page. So if you come back to the write function, you will have this add plugins, grant role, initialize, multi calls. So we have these tons of functions, and each one of these function is really very powerful, which will make your entire NFT marketplace full-fledged, like a real one which you can see like OpenSea and other popular NFT marketplace. And here we have the read method. So we have all of this method which will allow us to read the function. Sorry for the delay, brother. So sorry for the delay. Actually, my mom, she went out and she got just back. So I went out for opening the door. So we have so many functions which you can call easily to fetch the information from your smart contract. That's super duper easy. So if you come here, if you click on this, you can easily able to read about the function. So if you come back to the event, so these are the events we have. Let's come back to the code, and here you will find all the code about the contracts and how you can call in the project. So if you come here, they have used different extensions. So we have a contract metadata, we have permissions, we have permission burnable, we have a platform fee. If you want to charge any fee, you can simply call this function and you can assign a particular fee which you want to charge after every transactions happen in the contract, like selling, buying, listing, upgrading. So all of those things you can charge money for that. And again, they have a bunch of things. So this is the method you have to call in the JavaScript to interact and fetch the information and make the call. So if you come here, you can see we have this platform fee. Here we have the permission. If you click on that, and you can able to see that what data exactly you have to send into this. So tons of things is there. Now if I come back to the source, and here you will find all the contract they have used in the particular NFT marketplace. You can simply open it. You can open and you can read about it, that what this particular ERC 165 does in the contract, how, when you will make the transaction, how it's going to trigger. So you can come here and you can simply explore one by one each one of these. Okay, each one of these. So come and explore. Tons of learning you will get. This is how you can develop your skills very fast. It's not always necessary that you have to build and write and code to learn things. This is how you can do it. This will teach you a lot when you will look at the existing code. And the best thing is, like if I come here, you can see here they have explained the published it, and here you can see the report of the auditing. So if you click on that, you will find the entire report, that when the contract got audited, how they have triggered that one. So that's all information you will find. You can see this is pretty huge. They have explained about the overall assessments like count, addresses, all of the things you will find here. You can see all the methods, all the contract, how they are tackling it. That's all you will find. So I want you to come and have a look. This will give you amazing understanding. What I will do is I'll come back here. So if you want to deploy this, you can come here, you can pick any version, but always go with the latest one and click on deploy. So once you deploy the contract, I already done a tons of contract testing here. So I'll click on this contracts, and here you can see I have this one, deploy and publish. So I will click on this publish one, and not published, sorry, deployed. And here you will find that first I have to connect my wallet, because I haven't connected my wallet yet. So once I connect my wallet, I can able to find, and here you can see I have deployed tons of contract onto this Polygon test network. I was testing and for the clients, and I was also building a project on that. So you can see all of the contract you will find here. Right now it's fetching the information, and we have the different type of real estate contracts. So I have few contract for the clients, few contract for the tutorial, and for few contract for the testing. So right now I want you to focus on these 3 contract, because currently this is the project which I'm working on. Actually, I'm building a token staking platform where we allow user to stake a particular token. When they stake a particular token, we're going to reward that users in different categories. So like we'll have a multiple slab, 12%, 15%, 20%, or 30% based on the time they pick for staking the token. Okay, so these are the 3 contract I'm using from the Thirdweb, because they are already audited. You can see this is the contract for staking we have, this is for reward token, and this is the token which I want them to stake. So the same function we have here. If I open this staking contract, you can see that's all the thing which I will find about the contract. So I have done a couple of transactions. You can see the permissions, and that's this contract has admire, minter, publisher, all of the things you can manage from here. Okay, so the only motive I have from making this tutorial, guys, to come and explore. When you will look at the code, when you will understand, this will teach you a lot, because these are the already existing code on the network and companies are utilizing it. It's a real world project. So hope this entire video makes sense to all of you guys, and do let me know in the comment section that how you like this tone. If you really want me to speak like that, I can, and I want you to let me know that, because some of you have complained me that I'm speaking very slow, not that aggressive. So that's why I thought let's try something new, and it's upon your feedback. If you guys want me to continue like this, I'll definitely do that. Otherwise, we have a normal tone as well. So if you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Daulat Susan. I'm a blockchain developer and I teach blockchain. So do hit like and subscribe. That will motivate me a lot to come up with this tutorial. And if you are interested in blockchain development, to follow all the projects which we have built on the channel and try to understand that how you can build this project to become a better developer. So that's the thing I want to talk about in this video. Hope to see you in the next video. For the time being, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.